Hi, can I tell you a little bit about my science fair project? Okay, my name is Ryan Brand, and I wanted to know what brand of mints makes water warmer or colder, and by how much. And basically, what I did during this project was I took temperature probes, as you can see in this picture me doing, and I would measure 0.3 ounces of mints on the digital scale, and I would connect it into the computer for logger light, and that's how I would get my that was how I could get my temperatures. I did this twice and used ice lifesavers, icebreakers, soft puff certs, and after coffee mints. And my average temperature was what you want a 68.15 degrees Fahrenheit. And what was my hypothesis was that the mints would make a drastic change, and that was my main hypothesis. But my side hypothesis that was that the after coffee mints would win, because whenever I put them in my mouth, if my mouth gets super cold, and my what showed was that actually icebreakers are 0.1 degrees less than the after coffee mints were, and the one that made the least temperature change was the soft puffs. You know, the ones they can sort of chew on and suck on, and those weren't that cold in the water. They only made a 0.5 degrees temperature change. I started it all at 70 degrees, which is room temperature, if you guys didn't know. And basically, some of the things what I learned about this experiment was that mints, actually, there's something in our mouth. I forgot what it's called. I gotta research this more. But it makes it feel like there's things in the mints that make our mouths feel super cold when we eat mints. And what surprised me was how little that the changes were in these mints, and how little the changes were in the ones that I thought would make the largest changes. And what was hard for me was it took an average of 15 to 30 minutes to stir and have every mint dissolve into the water. So it took a lot of time, like 3 hours or something, just of experimenting to do this. Just 3 hours of watching mints. So, do you have any questions? Okay.